Okay, so I actually am going to be playing around in VR while a little rant, okay? I have a rant. Yes, the rant is about, okay, as you can see, actually, that is pretty cool. I didn't know I could actually layer stuff quite like that. But yeah, here's my issue, okay? Software updates, okay? I went to System Software Update as you would expect, and I do not currently have a software update available. I'm on version 69. I don't know how many people are on higher versions or whatnot. I'd like to know in the comment section below what version you guys are on, because I do read my comment section and I do know that a lot of you guys are on different versions than, you guys all are on the same version. And oddly enough, what's odd still is some of you guys don't have the same features even if you are on the same version, which is a little odd. I don't know if that's because it's more of a region based thing or what the reason is for that, if I'm being perfectly honest. See, I haven't actually logged on to my VR in some days, so I came on expecting there to be some kind of update. There, there is not an update at all. So that was when I decided, hey, why don't I make a little rant about it? But yeah, I'd love to know your experience as far as updating with VR. And in general, your experience with VR in general. And in case you're wondering how I'm doing this whole thing with the Windows, I actually have a whole video covering how I enabled moving windows and whatnot. Now, with that said, you do have to be on, I believe, V69 to take full advantage of the window thing. I think there is some window thing on V68, but take full advantage. V69 is where you'll have to go. Also, V69 gave us support for using one, joystick or move controller, Quest controller, and using a hand at the same time. So that's actually very cool overall. Yeah. The hand thing can be a little wonky at times still. That's why I like to use the controller sometimes. But I'll be honest, every now and then it is fun to just go into VR and move the desktop, move the windows with your hand. That it does feel pretty good. Okay. So my rant isn't anything to do with VR as a whole right now. It's to do with the update system, which I think is more of Meta's update rollout system, how they have it rolled out and stuff. Hopefully in 2025 it will be made better, okay? I'm hoping because the MetaQuest 3S just came out not too long ago, and the holidays are coming up. So more people than ever, I feel like, are going to have a VR headset. So I feel like making it so we get consistent updates is very important, if not one of the more important things that should be done. Okay? Very, very important, actually. in case you're wondering what I'm looking for here, I'm going to go to experimental features because I noticed, because like I said, I read my comments. I like that a lot of you guys are finding the using apps while laying down feature helpful. I'll be honest, it's very helpful for me as well. Yeah, it's actually a lot more helpful than you think because you can even play most games while laying down too. Most, if not all, games you can technically play while laying down, but some games you may hurt yourself if you are playing while laying down in a certain position, so definitely use caution with that. But yeah, I think I'm calmed down a little bit. I do really think it would be a smart business move for Meta to next year try to roll out more consistent updates across the board. But what do I know? I'm not a billion-dollar company. So, yeah, that's just my thoughts on the matter. Let me know what you guys think. Comment section below. And with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.